Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Chicken braided bread. Today let's bake chicken braided bread. Using only with few ingredients, let's bake this yummy chicken braided bread. So check out the ingredients. Three cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. We need 2 eggs for this, 4 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using olive oil. Now transfer all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Add 1 egg for now. Mix well with your hands or using spatula. After mixing well, we need to knead this into a dough. You can also knead this by using food processor. So let's knead into a dough by using half glass of water. Knead till it becomes soft. Now let's cover this by using cling film for 1 hour. After 1 hour, again knead it for 1 minute, like punching, as I am doing here. Again close it and keep it for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the fillings for this. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Add 1 chopped onion and saute it till it becomes transparent. Once the onions turns into transparent, keep the flame into low. Now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add enough salt. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder and saute very well. Keep the flame completely low. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now bring the flame into medium and add 1 glass of milk into it. Mix thoroughly. Now stir it occasionally till it becomes thick. Keep stirring not to get lumps on it. Once it starts to get thick, add the chopped coriander leaves and chopped green chilies into it and saute very well. Now cook it for 2 minutes. Now add the shredded chicken into it. Here I am using 250 grams of chicken, boiled and shredded. I have taken the boneless chicken for this. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame. it's done, switch off the flame and keep it to cool for 5 to 6 minutes. Now divide the dough into 4 equal portions and make a ball. Add some flour that not to stick while we roll. Now roll the dough into a rectangular shape as I am doing here. Now spread the filling in the center, leaving little space on the top and the bottom. Now snip the edges by using scissor or knife as I am doing here. Now fold each side so they overlap each other. The filling will show slightly, not to worry for that. Now continue the same method with the leftover dough and the fillings. Now brush the top with the beaten egg, as we have taken 2 eggs for this recipe. One is for the dough and one is for the brushing. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top of it. I am using white sesame seeds. You can also use black, or you can skip this. This is optional. If you want, you can use sesame seeds or else no need. Now let's bake this for 25 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Here comes our chicken braided bread is ready to serve. Friends, give it a try and let me know in the comments below. This is easy to prepare and tasty to have. If you like this video, hit the like button and do share with your contacts. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.